Hello and welcome everybody to A Bird's Story. This is made by the same person who created To the Moon, by now quite infamous RPG Maker game. And yeah, I love To the Moon, and I thought I have to play this. And you already have to say this music is already heartbreaking. I To the Moon was a really emotional game, and I guess this one will be too, although it's just an hour long. So, let's see. Anyway, here we go. Begin. Oh well, I guess these are the chapters. The creator of this game mentioned that there will be no dialogue. So, however this is going to work will be quite interesting. Yeah, birds. Oh, what is that? Oh, an airplane, a paper airplane. Do you say that like that in English? I don't know. By the way, if you're wondering why I didn't upload some stuff in the last few weeks by now, I was busy and I didn't really feel like it. But I will upload more of Katawa Shoujo, because I've already played it when I was ill. But anyway, let's concentrate on the game, so we don't miss anything. Here, into the bed you go. Although your bed looks a little bit strange. Anyway. Is he dreaming? Or is this the real forest? I guess it's that he's dreaming. Maybe some forest he has visited before. At least he's a good boy. It's only 10 after 11 and he's already in bed. Oh. Oh, wait for me, Shadow Man. Let me go backwards with you. I don't know what I'm doing, but I don't like... Hey, I didn't think this would be a horror game. Hey, oh, Shadow Man. Nearly had you. Okay, I don't like the craziness in the music, but okay. Oh, no, I'm not doing anything. Okay. Is this a crow on top of my head? Or is it some kind of other bird? I don't know. I really would like to know why... Oh, even if I press forward, I'm going backwards. Oh, fascinating. But I can go up and down, but I... Strange. Fascinating, though. 3 in the morning? I don't know. Oh yeah, probably. If he was sleeping, it's probably not 3 p.m. But now it's 3 p.m. Oh, he visits a strange school. Once again, the shadow people we already know from To the Moon. I won't spoil anything if you haven't seen it, but I guess you have. If you found my video on the internet, you probably have seen it. Or are you making another airplane? Tearing your book apart and... Oh, squirrels. The arch enemy. The nemesis of every To the Moon character. Hey! Oh no. Come on, what kind of asshole are you? Well, I hope she doesn't break her neck when she turns around. Douchebag. I hate people like this. Can I go back and tear him apart? Yeah, I'm staying there. I hate people like this. God damn it. Yeah, you can be happy. What? Why are you... If... Huh? Oh well, he's dreaming. It doesn't have to make sense, but I wonder if these guys are going outside. Shouldn't the other guys do too? Ah, so I can't go inside, and this time I can go wherever I want, in which direction I want. Oh, now I'm in never-ending darkness. Okay. I guess I wasn't supposed to go there. Then let's follow these kids. Ah, come on. I'll go anyway. That's how tough I am. Tough as nails. I'm just wondering. No, I still can't enter. Then why is she shouting if I can't even enter? Yeah, come on, kiss my ass, lady. If you believe everything what this douchebag says, then you don't deserve better. Oh yes, it's obviously a dream. Now it's quite obviously a dream. Nice, though. Has something to it, these trees. Oh, can I go on the slide? Oh, Come on! I want to go on the slide. Okay, then I don't go on the slide. I'm clicking stuff, even though I probably don't need to. Oh, I guess I play with you, since you are somehow there. Oh no, you are me. My bad. Oh, nobody's playing with him. Oh. Oh. And it says, is there something sadder than a kid who has no one to play with him? Oh, there I am. Oh, are we allowed to go this far? Guess it doesn't really matter. The lady's already angry, and it's still just a dream. I suppose, at least. Oh. Oh. Well, that's quite a change of scenery. 152. Okay. What do I have? No. It just looked like I have a ponytail, but what is it? Is it my back? Probably. Well, let's go inside then. Can I save here? No, I can't. Okay. Do I have something like a menu? Oh, yes, I have. Okay. Oops. Alright. Oh, okay. It's... Oh. So what's your business here? Not quite talkative, are you? Oh. Oh, this is so cool. Probably destroying the mood by blabbering over it. Well, if you look for it on YouTube, you probably wanted it that way. Okay, this is again quite horror-ish. Horror-esque. Not good. Are these mice? Yes. Okay, every time I click a door... No. The light is just random. Okay. I suppose I go in here. Oh, is that my home? My dream home, at least. Okay, I'm not moving. Ah. Somebody has to pay the electricity bill. What? Okay, I guess I wasn't supposed to read that. Okay, you have it in your hand. Can you read it? Okay. Yeah. No. Okay. Oh. Whoops. What happened? Okay. Oh. The parents bad, probably. That's cute. Never did that though, to be honest. To me, it's a movie cliche. Yeah, I see the arrow. Okay, I'll follow you, arrow. Oh, my room. No, it's 4:45. Oh yeah, an empty stomach. Never a wise decision to sleep with an empty stomach. There you go. It's also not wise to eat right before sleeping, but you know, I'm not a doctor. I'm just a normal person who likes to eat. Well, this is probably not the wisest decision either. Although it's probably noon. It's not morning, so why not watching some TV? Okay, let's go read the book. Okay, music changes. Not very often a good sign. Ah, but in this case it is. Oh, it's 8 o'clock. He really likes planes, doesn't he? Oh. Well, go take it. Okay, I didn't really get that, but okay. Maybe I can't really see it because I have to play it on, you know, on a little window because for some reason Bandicam doesn't want to record it when it is full screen. I have no idea why. So I have to look really, really close. Whoa. Was that a green hand? Or was that me really not seeing again what is happening? Oh, it's 7 o'clock. Oh, that's quite late to get to school. Whoa, awesome throw. Amazing. You should play in the NBA. Oh, no, it's no hand. It's... Ah, okay. Maybe his mother or his father put them... Okay, now it's a trumpet? Do you say that? You know? This... Oh, yeah, exactly. Whatever you call it in English. So maybe it was my mom or my dad, so I don't get cold while sleeping. I don't know. Oh, piece of paper. Yeah, I need a code, but it's laying there. They already wanted you. Oh, he wants to take something else. Okay then. Fine by me, mister. Okay. No? Maybe to the right? Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay. Well, if I get lost in this game, I'm really amazingly bad. Oh, I should read that. Or I should look at it. Oh. Oh, he needed the book, he didn't need the code. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I'm seeing jack shit. Oh no, he wants to take something to eat with him. Very wise. Never understood pupil. I mean, the... Awesome reference. Awesome reference. Thank you very much. That was an awesome reference. Oh, you need a umbrella. Ah, okay, you take it yourself. I have always... Come on, take it with you. Come on, take it with you. I hate people who don't take umbrellas with them. Well, I don't hate them, but I'm taking always an umbrella with me. Whoops. Okay, now it's green. My bad. Oh, it's again the jungle school. Oh, well that was a short way. Hey miss, I'm sorry for last time. You know, the thing I didn't do. Hello, you. Going to crush your bones if you do that again. Oh my god, no. Don't sleep. This dude will make you... Oh no, I thought we maybe wake up from our dream. It seems we doesn't. Or maybe we aren't really in a dream, we're in a coma world or something. But in the beginning he went to bed, so I guess that's all a dream, but I'm not sure. Come on. Oh. Well, that was a rather comedic penalty. Okay, let me see if I can save. Oh, so this is now the... Oh, this is the next part. Okay, so it's really divided by parts. Okay. Well then. Oh, Third World War. Sounds like it. And everybody's looking. Oh no, it's raining. Told you. Told you. As a penalty, you have to go swim in the puddle. Oh, you want to do that. Oh. Yay. Whoa. That is ultra cool. I love this shot already. Alright, let's jump into more puddles. Oh, I can't even... Wow, I learned to jump. I don't even need to jump into puddles. Oh, there's one. A big one, though. I'm a bit childish. Oh, was already wondering, this flower seems suspicious. Okay, no, not the flower. Okay. Oh my god, it's a bird being chased by someone who lives in holes, and I don't know the name in English of. If you are a friendly fellow, you leave the name in the comments below. Sorry. Especially I have problems with animal names in English. So I guess that's why it's called a bird story. You tell me your... Well, you probably don't tell me anything because there is some text in this game. But I think so far it's super cool how the creator handled that. Yeah, of course he's afraid. But I guess since he doesn't fly away, he's probably hurt or something. Yeah, let's take him with us. Huh? I said let's take him with us. Oh! Do I have to do like... Oh? Do I have to make a jump? Come on. I feel like jumping. Okay, no jump possible. Okay, then I'll just leave. Whatever you say, Mr. President. Oh, again? Oh. Oh, what was that? Whatever it was. Oh, it was my bag. Oh my god, he went into my bag. That's cute. Oh, and he doesn't realize, so he takes him with him home. Ah, now he realizes, okay. Eh, can still go. Oh. Well, that's rather convenient. Good thing I can't run. Can I jump? No. Okay, too bad. Kill the flower tree. Oh well, don't kill the flower. I don't like you killing the flower. Okay, I think we'll make a little break here. I guess I'll make it in 3 parts then. So, thank you everybody for watching, and if you liked it, yeah, comment and stuff. And tell me what that animal was. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.